Hello, everyone, and welcome to the second episode of Octalsoft's Experts Corner. This is where we deep dive into the finer nuances of e-clinical software. Today, we have with us Pankthi Varma, Senior Technical Manager at Octalsoft. The perfect mixture of advanced technical skills and equally incredible managerial skills, Pankthi is the blueprint when it comes to being the ideal hands-on tech leader. Welcome, Pankthi. We have much to learn from you. So, Pankthi, tell us, what are the most significant challenges sponsors face when transitioning from paper-based data collection to an EDC system in clinical trials?
Firstly, when you are moving from a paper-based collection to a system, EDC system, so first thing that is most important is the training part. Like extensive training needs to be provided to the site personnel, the monitors, data managers, investigators, because those are the people who are going to use the system in and out. And secondly, a good UX is also very important, because if the UX is not, if it is not an ease of use for the user, then that adoption is not very smooth. People do resist using the new application. So I think a great UX is also a very important part in adopting to a new system.
How does an EDC system enhance data quality and integrity compared to traditional methods?
So traditionally, the data was being entered on paper. Now, after the EDC systems have come in, the most important benefit is everything is real time. So the data is entered real time, monitoring happens real time, review of the data happens real time. So as soon as the data is entered into the system, everyone has access to that data. So faster review, faster query resolution, faster data cleaning happens. Then secondly, since it's an electronic system, so the data formats and everything can be managed. Like suppose if somebody is wanting to enter 250 as a value for systolic blood pressure, then the system itself will give an alert, or it will prevent the submission of that particular form, because such a data point or such a data value is not acceptable. Then from a compliance perspective, the system data compliance, which is a 21 CFR compliances are there. So audit trails are maintained properly, they are immutable, they cannot be updated, cannot be changed. Like Metra and CDISC, they ensure that there is a semantic consistency. Then the most important and the most trending right now is the analytics. So the analytics can happen very fast, like you can get the trends of data, on basis of that the analytics can happen. So there are a lot of benefits of having an EDC system in place rather than a traditional paper collection of data.
How does Octalsoft's EDC platform differentiate itself in terms of usability, scalability, and compliance?
Our regulatory standards like the 21 CFR Part 11 or the ICF GCP or the GDPR, so all our systems are compliant. Secondly, our data is stored very securely with enhanced access controls, or that there is no, the vulnerability of the data is not there. Our audit trails are very robust, so we make sure that the audit trails are immutable, they are fully traceable, cannot be updated. So that is one more important feature. Then our ECRF filter is very dynamic, like it allows you to create the ECRFs, edit checks, the enable, disable, complex edit checks, calculations, subject statuses, alerts, everything from the front end. And it also allows you, like if it is a multi-study platform, then it also allows you to copy CRF from one study to another. So that also helps a lot. It saves a lot of time and ensures a consistency across studies which have the same therapeutic area. Then we have very good data export functionalities. So our data gets exported in multiple formats, and you also have an option to select as much data as you want. So it can be taken down to the minutest CRF or the single CRF or to a single subject. So we do provide a lot of filter options while exporting the data, multiple formats. And our EDC is with a single sign-on. It is possible to integrate our EDC along with our CTMS, our IWRS, ePro, RSDV. So that is one great feature that we have.
Thank you so much, Pankthi, for joining us in this insightful conversation. From real-time data systems to decentralized trials and AI in clinical ops, Octalsoft's experts are just getting started. Do take the time to follow us, and we will see you in the next one at Octalsoft's Experts Corner. Until then, happy trials.